All right, it is 2:01, so we'll go ahead and get started with the weekly weather briefing for this week. This is Megan with the National Weather Service. And there's a couple things to discuss this week. We have a marginal risk of severe weather for tomorrow, mainly for the afternoon and evening hours. And it's mostly going to be a hail threat, but we'll talk about it more in detail in just a moment. And then the weekend looks very nice, so that's good news. Highs in the 70s, lows in the mid 50s, so it should be very pleasant. And then we have another risk of severe weather, a slight risk of severe weather, Monday evening into the overnight hours, into Tuesday morning. So we'll talk about that as well. So we'll talk about tomorrow. Mainly this marginal risk is going to be along and south of the I-10, I-12 corridor for the most part, mainly for the Mississippi coast areas and for the coastal Louisiana areas and areas south of the lake, along with the river parishes. It's mostly going to be scattered showers and storms Friday afternoon and evening. It's really mostly, you could see one or two strong to severe storms that could have some large hail and some gusty winds is mainly what we're thinking. And the best chance to see that those hailers, the storms with hail and some gusty winds would be right along the coast, but you can rule it out a little bit further north, closer to the lake. So something to monitor tomorrow. Again, mainly going to be the afternoon and evening. It looks like the storms start picking up after around noon to 1 p.m. and then persist until about sunset, so 7 p.m., 8 p.m. In terms of the rainfall expecting, this is the rainfall for tonight into tomorrow. Generally less than an inch of rainfall expected, not expecting any training or heavy rain with this system, mostly light to moderate stratiform rainfall in general tonight into tomorrow. And not even expecting that much thunder with it, although along the coast, the Louisiana coast, you could see some thunder since you're going to have the best energy. Like I said, the weekend looks really nice and pleasant, less humid, which is good. So not expecting any significant weather Saturday, Sunday. And then Monday, we are outlooked in a slight risk for severe weather. That's going to be late Monday into the overnight hours. So late Monday through early Tuesday morning. Right now, mainly this just includes our South Mississippi counties, Pikemet and Wilkinson and Walthall, as well as our Northwest Louisiana parishes, East and West Feliciana, and Point Coupee, etc. So does not include Baton Rouge at this time. Kind of what we're looking at for this is right now, there's still a lot of uncertainty with this one because the models have some differences in the timing and also kind of what kind of weather we're expecting. Right now, we're thinking you could see a mix of everything. So you could see some large hail and damaging winds, and there is a possibility for a tornado or two. The risk is mostly going to be to our north for like Jackson and Shreveport's area, but it does kind of dip down into our area a little bit with that risk. So we wanted to make sure that we mentioned it. And as we get closer to the event, we will have more updates and we'll make sure to be sending y'all emails with any changes. But still some uncertainties with that right now. And then I wanted to show you the rainfall we're expecting Monday through Wednesday of next week associated with this system moving through. Right now, not looking like a huge rain threat, except for maybe the South Mississippi counties, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall in general for most places, especially the further north you go, Monday through Wednesday of next week. There are some hints that there could be some locally heavy rainfall possible in spots. Mainly, this would be for the northwest areas where you're going to see that those stronger storms, but still some uncertainty with this as well. And it all depends on how progressive the system is. Right now, it looks pretty progressive. We'll see how it pans out over the next, pretty fast moving. We'll see how it pans out over the next couple days. And that's basically it. And, the end of next week, after the system moves through Thursday, Friday, it looks pretty dry overall. So basically overall, you've got this marginal risk for tomorrow with these potential for hail and gusty winds with these scattered showers and storms. Nice weekend, and then your next chance of severe weather is going to be on Monday night and a Tuesday morning. And right now looks like all modes are possible with that. So I'll open it up for questions here. 1 second.